Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Evolution of Supply Chain Management. Supply chain management has undergone a significant transformation over decades, evolving from rudimentary trade systems to sophisticated, technology-driven networks that play a critical role in global commerce. This evolution reflects advancements in technology, changes in consumer demand, globalization, and the continual push for efficiency and sustainability. Understanding the progression of SCM offers valuable insights into how current practices emerged and how they continue to adapt to new challenges. Historically, supply chain management can trace its roots back to the early days of trade, where bartering was the primary method of exchanging goods. These simple systems were limited by geographical constraints and the lack of standardized practices. As civilizations advanced, so did trade systems, with the development of money and the establishment of trade routes, such as the Silk Road, which facilitated the movement of goods and resources across vast distances. This era marked the beginning of more complex supply chains, although they were still far removed from what we consider modern SCM. The Industrial Revolution of the 18th and 19th centuries marked a pivotal shift in supply chain management. The introduction of machinery and mass production techniques allowed for the creation of goods on an unprecedented scale. Factories could now produce large quantities of products, necessitating more sophisticated methods of managing resources, production, and distribution. The rise of railroads and steamships further expanded the reach of supply chains, enabling companies to source raw materials from distant locations and distribute finished goods to broader markets. This period laid the groundwork for modern supply chains by introducing the necessity for logistics and inventory management. The 20th century witnessed several key developments that propelled supply chain management into a more strategic business function. The two world wars significantly impacted supply chains, as the need for efficient production and distribution of military supplies highlighted the importance of logistics. Post-war economic expansion led to globalization, with companies increasingly looking beyond their borders for production and sales opportunities. During this time, the concept of logistics began to gain prominence, focusing on the coordination of complex operations involving people, facilities, and supplies. The advent of information technology in the latter half of the 20th century marked another turning point in the evolution of SCM. The introduction of computers and the internet revolutionized the way businesses operated, providing new tools for managing supply chains. Enterprise resource planning systems emerged, integrating various business processes, including supply chain functions, into a single unified system. These systems enabled companies to better forecast demand, manage inventory, and streamline operations, leading to improved efficiency and reduced costs. The rise of globalization in the late 20th and early 21st centuries further transformed supply chain management. Companies began to outsource manufacturing to countries with lower labor costs, leading to the creation of complex global supply networks. This globalization of supply chains brought about significant benefits, such as cost savings and access to new markets, but also introduced new challenges, including increased risk and complexity. The need to manage these global networks efficiently led to the development of advanced supply chain strategies and practices, such as just-in-time production and lean manufacturing. In recent years, technology has continued to drive the evolution of supply chain management. The rise of e-commerce has fundamentally changed consumer expectations, with customers demanding faster delivery times and greater transparency. This shift has forced companies to rethink their supply chain strategies, focusing on speed, flexibility, and customer satisfaction. Technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things are now being integrated into supply chain operations, providing real-time data and insights that enable more agile and responsive supply chains. Sustainability has also become a critical focus in modern supply chain management. As awareness of environmental issues grows, companies are increasingly being held accountable for the environmental and social impacts of their supply chains. This has led to the development of sustainable supply chain practices such as green logistics and ethical sourcing, which aim to reduce the environmental footprint and promote social responsibility. Companies are now expected to not only deliver products efficiently, but also to do so in a way that minimizes harm to the planet and society. The COVID-19 pandemic has further highlighted the importance of resilient supply chains. The disruptions caused by the pandemic exposed vulnerabilities in global supply networks, prompting companies to reevaluate their supply chain strategies. Many businesses have shifted towards regionalization, reducing their reliance on long, complex supply chains and focusing on building more localized networks that can better withstand disruptions. This trend towards resilience and flexibility is likely to continue shaping the future of supply chain management. In conclusion, the evolution of supply chain management reflects broader economic, technological, and societal changes. From the early days of trade to the complex global networks of today, SCM has continually adapted to meet new challenges and opportunities. As companies face increasing demands for efficiency, sustainability, and resilience, the role of supply chain management will remain crucial in driving business success. The ongoing integration of advanced technologies, coupled with a focus on sustainability and resilience, will continue to shape the future of supply chain management, ensuring it remains a dynamic and vital component of modern business strategy. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.